Hello everybody! In this video, I want to introduce you to the new Design Catalog application for Autodesk Inventor. This application allows engineers to create their own custom collections of model right inside Inventor for further quick access, insertion, copy, and so on. I have already added some demo data here just for entertaining purposes. Once we click the catalog item, we can inspect the details of the model. We can also open any attached files, like this PDF file. We can open up the file. We can insert the selected item inside the modeling space. We can also insert the copy of the selected item. For copying process, I would need to specify prefix or I may skip, of course. Select the location. Now, let's actually add a new catalog item. I want to add this guy. Click an active file. For him, I want to also specify the constraint set. This would be floor, face, and also side. Now, I want to add the guide into this test station. Click add one and follow the constraint sequence. Select the floor face, click OK, select the front face, specify the distance, select the side face. So this way we position the guy as if he's doing something here. Now let's play along with another assembly. I want to add nameplates to these supports. I have already configured constraint sequence, so now I just need to specify the holes. Select another plate. Okay. Okay. Now I want to fix these plates with rivets. Let's add rivet to the catalog. I want to place them in the new page. I would call the page demo 2. I will add a new category rivets, save, and we'll add an actual rivet to the category. I also will specify the constraint. Click save. Now open up again the assembly and add actual rivets. I want to add rivets to this assembly. Add multi-group. I can make a section view to inspect the details. Now I need just click OK, and the app will populate the rivets across the selected faces. Just like that. Now let's add a new category and call it clamps. Add a clamp. I will also specify the holes for constraining. Save. Now let's activate the assembly and add the clamps. I will click add one by one and start positioning the clamps. just like that. Now, this application can also copy the entire design with drawings included. So let's click copy and open for this blower assembly. Specify the new prefix. Let it be Design Catalog 2025. Also, I want to include standalone drawings. Specify the location. Save. Now the app copies the entire component set, replaces the links, copies the drawings, also changes the references inside the drawings to the new files. So eventually we will get a completely new assembly set. Of course, library parts will be skipped. We don't need to copy library parts. Now we have to be a bit patient. Now we've got ourselves a new completely copied assembly. Let's inspect the new drawing. Yeah, everything looks good. So one more note is that we can change the position of the cars inside the catalog. We can change the position of the categories to fit our needs. We can switch the position of the pages and so on. So I really hope you like this app and looking forward for your feedback. Thank you for your time. See you. Bye bye.